Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you how you can get approved for the Best Egg credit card. And I want to show you these two approvals here, and there's others. You guys definitely go ahead and just see what you can get because it's going to be a pre-qualification. So we can see right here, $3,000 approval, and it's a 19.99% interest rate, both of them is, and then also we're at 1750. So these is pre-approvals where they can actually see if they can pre-qualify you for their credit card. And if you don't qualify, you don't have to worry about getting that hard hit. So that's good, that hard inquiry on your credit reports. Now, if you want me to make a video about any credit card, or if you have any questions, definitely go ahead and drop it down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to make that video for you. Now, I made a video yesterday about a lot of personal loans you guys can go ahead and apply for, and Best Egg was on there. Now, Best Egg, they do personal loans, so you definitely can get a personal loan with them up to $35,000. But they also have their credit card that you guys can apply for. So that's what I want to talk about with you all today. Now, to get this credit card, you're going to have to get an offer for it. They're going to have to offer it to you. So a lot of people, if you already tried my shopping cart trick, then you already getting a lot of letters in the mail for a lot of different credit cards and loans. This is one of the companies that will send you something in the mail, and I'm going to show you another way if you're not getting them in the mail on how to get it. But just in case you guys don't know about the shopping cart trick or getting pre-approvals in the mail, what you have to do is you have to go to Factor Trust and you have to opt in. And all you're doing is basically saying, hey, all of the firms out there, send me some offers of credit and insurance. So what you have to do is just make sure you opted in. Go ahead and click submit. You have to put your information in here. So your first and last name, social security number, your date of birth, your email address, and your address. Put all your information in here and click confirm. This is a small credit bureau, so they're going to have your information, and then they're going to send it out to all of the different credit card companies that's able to send you offers in the mail. So you'll do it for this company, Factor Trust, and then you guys are going to do it for the opt-out pre-screen. So a lot of you guys already did this already. You already opted into both companies, and you already have a lot of offers in the mail. So if you haven't done that, definitely go ahead and do that. Now, when you get your offer in the mail, all you have to do is just put your email address in and then go ahead and enter your offer code. Now, I did a lot of research on here. Some people saying that they're going to pull from Equifax, but most people saying that it is going to be you're going to want to pull your Experian credit score, and the minimum credit score for this one I'll say is a 550. You guys have to have at least a 550 credit score to get approved to get approved for this credit card. So when you go ahead and get your offer, go ahead and submit it here. You can get the card. You can go ahead and get the card if they can offer it to you. You don't have any annual fee at all, so, which is really good. Now, if you do not have an offer and you want to still get this credit card, it's minimum 550. Why not just try, right? You don't have that hard inquiry. Then you guys can go ahead and click right here and join the priority list. You're going to go ahead and put your name, your first name in, and your email address in. Let me actually go ahead and do that now. And put your you should put your full first name in. Let me put it in. I'm just trying to put anything in. And put your email address in. To join that priority list, go ahead and click submit. And it's thinking right now. I guess it's adding me to the list. So they said, thank you for signing up. So I should get an email letting me know what's going to happen with me getting approved. So hopefully it's not going to take that long. This reminds me of the 2Mo credit card. I told you guys about this years ago. With this credit card, I apply, I believe, back in September. You have to join their list. At the time, you have to join their list. In September, I joined. And in November, I was actually able to get approved for this credit card. It's a no credit check credit card also. So maybe it's going to be very similar to this. Hopefully, it's not going to take that long. But I will definitely keep you guys updated, because if you got bad credit, this may be a great card for you guys to get. Now, don't forget, you won't have an annual fee with this credit card, which is really good. And a lot of people, they're getting the 19.99% interest rate, but you can go all the way, you can get an interest rate all the way down to 5.99%, and they can approve you um, for different amounts depending on how much income you have coming in. So understand that how much income you have coming in is going to dictate how much you're going to actually get approved for the credit card. So your credit score is usually going to dictate how much they're going to charge you in interest. And then two, your income is going to dictate your income, and your previous history on your credit too, with paying off credit cards and your limits is going to dictate how much they're going to actually approve you for. Now, just in case some people like the point that you can get pre-qualified. So I want to go over 3 other credit cards really quickly that you guys can actually go ahead and get pre-qualified for if you guys don't know about it. But the first credit card is the Discover credit card. So Discover can go ahead and pre-qualify you for one of their credit cards. They have multiple credit cards. They can go ahead and pre-qualify you. You can go ahead, visit their website, click check now, pre-qualify you without the hard credit check. So it's not going to harm your credit at all. And all you have to do is just put your name, your address. They want to ask you if you're a student because they do have their student credit card. Your total and your gross income. Don't forget, anywhere you're getting income from, money coming in to you, even if somebody just gives you money, maybe you got parents or somebody, I don't know, somebody that just give you money every month, include that in your annual gross income. Your monthly payments on your house, if you're doing a mortgage, if you're renting, your housing status, whether you're owning your home, renting your home, bank accounts, what bank accounts do you own, date of birth, social security number, and what type of benefit would you want? You want cash back, travel rewards, balance transfer? Like, why are you trying to get a credit card mainly? Go ahead and fill it in, check the box, make sure you guys are reading everything, and then click check now. Don't forget, it's not going to be an impact to your credit at all, but they'll let you know exactly how much you're approved for. Well, not exactly how much you're approved for, but they'll let you know which cards they can possibly approve you for, and you guys can apply for those credit cards. And you guys, definitely, I already told you guys about Navy Federal Credit Union a while ago. Definitely, they can actually pre-qualify you for their credit cards. So I really like that. You do have to be a member, which is very easy to become a member. I tell people, just get you a check-ins or a savings account with them, and you should be able to become a member with them. So all you're going to have to do is become a member, get your account, and then go down a little bit. You'll see where it says pre-qualify me. And they'll tell you exactly how much they can pre-qualify you for. If you already have a credit card with Navy Fed, or not even just have a credit card, if you already have an account, then they can pre-approve you right on the app too. So definitely go ahead and see what they can pre-approve you for. Now, if you already had the Best Ed credit card, definitely let me know. How is it going with you? And just tell us a little bit about your credit so that others can know exactly what they have to look for when they go ahead and apply for this credit card. Don't forget, if you want to make a video for you, definitely let me know and I'll make that video for you. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.